Welcome to today's workout. Today we are working those arms. Let's get those sexy summer arms going. Let's get into the warm-up. Chest expansions. Feet are wider than shoulder width apart and you are clapping like a sumo wrestler. If you need a longer warm-up, get that in. We're going to get on the floor and start off with reverse planks. Your wrists are directly underneath your shoulders. Your abs are engaged. Your booty is tight and you just hold. Don't think about it. Don't ask if you can actually do it. Just get on the floor and get it done. Don't let your booty sag too much. There you go. This burns. This is a very short workout, so it's going to be more intense, but you can do it. You have done my other workouts. You can handle it. You are handling it. You're doing good. Almost there. Yes, crab kicks. You are still in that same position, except now you are kicking one leg out at a time. Make sure your abs are engaged, your wrists are underneath your shoulders, and you have a positive attitude. You're gonna need it. Let's go. This is good. You're doing amazing. If you have done all the workouts up until this point, I just want you to know that you're the real ones. You're the realest. And if you missed a few, that's okay. I have love for you as well. You showed up today, and that is all we need. Keep showing up. Side tricep extensions. You're going to switch over to your side. Abs are engaged, and that arm in front of your body is what you're going to use to lift your upper body. Do not let any other muscles take over this movement. It's all about the arms. Let's go. Yes, there you go. Hug yourself with your other arm and use one arm to raise your body off of the mat. You look good. Do your best. You're doing great. You're doing great. Don't worry about anything. You're almost at the end. We're of course going to do the other side. Hug your body with one arm, and the other arm is responsible for raising your upper body off the mat. When you approach the mat, I don't want you relaxing on the mat. It's not time to take a nap. Extend that arm. Let's work. Don't let your legs get too involved in this. Keep your legs as relaxed as you can. Focus on the arms. Squeeze those muscles. Very good. We are going to wrap this up with a plank. This works your arms and your abs. Just hold that plank position. If you're unable to hold a plank or you're just really tired, you can do the modification on the right. This is more to strengthen your back than anything else, but it's better than nothing if you're unable to hold a plank. With your planks, you want to try to maintain a straight line from your head all the way to your ankles. Keep your abs nice and tight the whole time. You are doing so amazing. You are almost there. Yes, you did that. You worked out today. You worked out today. I'm so excited. Just in case you're new here, my name is Cola, just like Coca-Cola, and I am married, and I have a son, and we live in Indiana, and we have a dog, a Jack Russell Terrier. I'm a personal trainer, and also certified in nutrition. I don't know why I'm telling you all this. I guess what I'm trying to say is if you're loving my workouts, that makes me really happy because I want you to be happy. I'm here to see you win, and I want to personally invite you over to my website, kobokofitness.com, where I have planned your whole year of workouts for you, so you never have to think ever again about what to do. I have workouts for the intermediate, beginner, and advanced level, so you pick your level and do your workout every day. No thinking required. Coupon code provided below, and there's a lot of stuff I can't fit into this break period. So just come over, give it a try. It's free to try, and let's just, I think that's what I want to say. I think, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next workout video.